Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning that how to fix Windows 11 update error code 0x80070002. So for that purpose, the first step is that you should go to the search menu here, left click on it and go to troubleshoot settings. Here it is, click on it. And under troubleshoot, you can go to other troubleshooters. Again, click on it. And under other troubleshooters, search for Windows Update here and click the run button in front of it. And wait for it while this troubleshoot is detecting problems. So guys, troubleshooting has completed and one problem is found, that is check for Windows Update issue. We will close it and we will check for Windows Update. Again, go to search menu and search for Windows Update settings. And let's check for updates. Here the button is available, check for updates. Click on it. And wait for it while it's checking for updates. So guys, Windows update is complete. You are up to date. So let's close it now. So that's the first process. Hopefully it should resolve your issue. If the issue is still existing, we can try out something else. Let's again go to the search menu and search for File Explorer. Click on it and go to this PC. Before going here, let's go to services. We will have to stop some services. Once you reach here, search for background intelligent transfer service. Yes, it's stopped. And next scroll down to Windows Update. It's running and let's stop it for a while. Okay, let's get back there. Here in this PC, you have to reach local disk C where your operating system is installed. Double click on it and go to Windows folder and then search for software distribution folder. Here, click on it and select all the files in software distribution folder and delete them. So all files are deleted. Close it now and let's again go back to services and restart the services which you stopped. And background intelligent transfer service. So that's all. So these are the two methods how you can fix Windows 11 update error code 0x80070002. So that's all guys from my side. I hope you understood it, that how you can resolve this issue. So do not forget to give your valuable feedback in the comments. Take care. Goodbye.